Cardiac muscle is found in the walls of the heart. It helps the heart perform its function of pumping blood throughout the body. Cardiac muscle tissue is located in the middle of three layers of the heart, called the myocardium. Problems in the myocardium can cause heart failure and arrhythmias or contribute to sudden cardiac death. Heart tissue layers. The heart has three layers of tissue: epicardium, the outermost layer of tissue; myocardium, the middle layer of tissue made of muscle; endocardium, the tissue lining the inside of the heart and valves. The pericardium is the sac in which the heart sits. Cardiac muscle tissue function. The heart can be thought of as a pump. It is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body to provide oxygen and nutrition. The heart's muscle is stimulated by the electrical system of the heart. Specialized pacemaker cells create an electrical signal that causes contraction or shortening of the muscle fibers. This muscle contraction is what causes the heart to sequence the pump out blood. Myocardial tissue detail. At a cellular level, heart muscle tissue is made up of bundles of fibers of interconnected muscle cells called cardiomyocytes. These cells are packed with units called sarcomeres that are made of proteins called actin and myosin. When stimulated, these two proteins slide against each other to result in contraction of the heart. Types of muscle tissue. The body has three types of muscle tissue. All of them share the ability to contract and have important function. The tissue types are skeletal muscle tissue provides the function of the body movement. It is under voluntary control. Smooth muscle is found in the digestive tract and in the arteries. It is not under voluntary control. Cardiac muscle is only found in the heart. It is responsible for pumping blood out of the heart. Conditions that affect cardiac muscle tissue. Heart muscle problems have many causes. Cardiomyopathy or heart muscle weakness. It is general term for problems with the heart muscle. It can be caused by genetic mutations, lack of blood flow, autoimmune or inflammatory conditions, vitamin deficiency, damage from toxin. Sometimes the cause is not determined, which is known as idiopathic cardiomyopathy. Other conditions can affect cardiac muscle tissue. These can cause varying problems, from thickening of the heart muscle to heart failure, arrhythmias, and sudden cardiac death. Most common causes: ischemic heart disease from blocked coronary artery, heart attack, high blood pressure, valvular heart disease such as aortic stenosis, high blood pressure. Blood pressure is the force that the heart must pump against to eject blood. When blood pressure is high, the heart must work harder, just like any other muscle. The heart muscle thickness. In response to this increased work, these thickened hypertrophied heart muscle can lead to problem with heart filling and heart failure. High blood pressure is one of the more common causes of heart failure. Other possible issues that could affect heart muscle include myocarditis, inflammation of the heart muscle, toxin like alcohol, cocaine, medication including certain cancer therapies, infiltrative disorders, accumulation of abnormal proteins or particles in the heart muscle, including cardiac amyloidosis, cardiac sarcoidosis, genetic condition including left ventricle non-compaction, hypertrophic, cardiomyopathy, arrhythmogenic, right ventricle cardiomyopathy, glycogen storage disease, or muscular dystrophy. Heart rhythm problems, congenital heart disease, heart defects present from birth, endocrine disorders such as thyroid problems, pregnancy, extreme stress, vitamin B1 thiamine deficiency. If you are concerned about cardiomyopathy, you should see a healthcare provider for evaluation. Seek medical attention for symptoms like shortness of breath, exercise intolerance, leg swelling, and fatigue, which are signs of heart failure. Even if you don't have any symptoms, if heart failure runs in your family, you should discuss this your healthcare provider to determine whether screening or genetic testing is needed.